Hi everybody, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center and it's Walkthrough Wednesday. And today we are with my good friend Mike Daniels. Mike called us up and he said, Lauren, Carling, Heather, you need to come back out and see our Irondale floor plan because it's going to be in Settlers Landing. Woo! He was so excited.
That's right.
And that's a big deal when we get Mike excited.
That's
but he
right.
wanted to reintroduce the Irondale floor plan again because it's going to be available to you in Settlers Landing.
That's right.
Yes, this is one of our most flexible plans. We offer a bonus room option. So
Wonderful.
when you do the bonus room, it's 2740 square feet. And you can also do it without a bonus room for around 2,300 square feet. Has a really neat garage, a tandem 3-car garage, which you can also convert to a 4th bedroom.
And I just want to remind people, because I assume everybody knows Mike Daniels and his beautiful wife Lisa, but of course they work for David Weekley Homes. And David Weekley Homes has been a part of the Nocatee family since the very, very beginning. And as a fun fact, the first home closed in January of 2007. Can y'all believe that Nocatee has been so successful in all these years? So tell us about this space, Mike.
So, like I said, this is a very unique space. It's tandem 3-car garage. So in Nocatee, a lot of people get the golf carts so they can cruise around. Also, you can fit 3 cars in here.
Wow.
And if you prefer a 4th bedroom, this space offers a bedroom option with a full bathroom.
Wow.
And to reiterate what Mike was talking about, why you may want to do that 4th bedroom or not, is the Irondale floor plan, you have the option to keep this a 1-story home or a 2-story home. So I love that flexibility again, and I think that's why the Irondale has always been so popular with residents.
Yeah, it's a hugely popular plan. And as we go through the home, you'll see even more reasons why it's so popular.
And that is a great size laundry room. I promise you, when you come see Mike, that's a great laundry room. It's very wide. Now, great flex space over here. David Weekley Homes has chosen to make it more of an office because so many people are working from home. Mike, could we close this in if we needed to?
Yes, a lot of our homes offer this flex space, so you can leave it open or you can make it more formal with 2 French doors.
See, that's really nice. I think a lot of people will start doing that, Mike, just because people have, I think companies are going to just keep people at home too.
So many people are working from home and enjoying the lifestyle here.
Okay, this island, everybody, do we know the length of this? This is incredible. This, I'm literally, I wish I knew distance, people, because this is the biggest island. I love the shape of it, but plenty of room for entertaining. And then, of course, a beautiful kitchen.
I love it.
Love this.
One of the things that people always comment when they come into this room is they talk about the high ceilings. It's the 10-foot ceilings. And when you're standing in the kitchen and looking out the back, it's almost all glass. So so much natural light coming through the home and just a big open feel that so many folks are wanting today.
Wow. And I love that the sliders, how you have them split on either side. So it's really neat for entertaining purposes. And as we start to go outside, look at this covered lanai. So in Settlers Landing, Mike, will this exact lanai style be offered? And do y'all also have a lot of preserve lots?
Yeah, so I always, when folks come in to learn more about Settlers Landing, one of the first things we do is come out here and take a look at the home site. Almost all the home sites in Settlers Landing will either back up to woods or water, so they offer that private view. Most of the home sites have plenty of room for a pool, so a lot of people are getting pools today. So yeah, just a real private, quiet area.
Absolutely.
It's beautiful.
This is absolutely beautiful. And I want to remind people that with Settlers Landing, that is on the southern end of Nocatee. So those kids, if you are going there, are going to be going to our new Nocatee school called Pine Island Academy. And you will have a path, actually, a walking path that you can get to school, or biking, because I love when the kids bike ride, by the way.
That is so
Okay,
cool.
look at this owner suite. And in the picture window, lots of natural
That's
light
beautiful.
coming in.
And I love how it has a door onto the lanai. That's awesome.
Yes.
And you can get it tray ceiling as well, so you even expand on that 10-foot ceilings.
Have people commented, Mike, about having the door in the bedroom and that how much they love that they can go, like, have their coffee and just go from the bedroom out?
It's a unique offering in this floor plan. We don't offer in all the plans, but yes, they like being able to go from the bedroom out to their lanai.
I can see that being a big selling point. Beautiful shower, the double sinks,
Wow.
nice size closet, which Lauren will show.
I do want to point out this little cubby right here too. That's awesome. Wow, look at this shower. That's awesome.
I call it the super shower.
Yes.
I think a unique thing in all of the David Weekley homes that we offer is this luggage rack. So the closet's off on ample space, and that just gives even more storage space.
I remember that, the luggage racks from years ago when I first saw that at David Weekley Homes. I said, why doesn't every builder do that? It's genius.
Mm-hmm.
So again, I want to talk about Settlers Landing and some other cool, unique things. First of all, we are getting an amazing amenity in Settlers Landing that all Nocatee residents can enjoy. It's called Settlers Pond. And this pond sits on 14 acres. Am I right, Lauren?
Yes.
14.
Yes.
14 acres, huge. And residents of Nocatee will be able to fish. They will be able to bring their own kayak and canoe down there. So it is really incredible. If you want to get a sneak peek, you could actually go on Pine Island Road and look over at Settlers Pond. I did that so I could talk about it at the Welcome Center, and my mind was blown.
It is
How
beautiful.
big. So again, 14 acres of a magnificent pond. So
I never
Mike,
saw that.
I always love being with you, and you
And yeah, I
always
always love being with you.
and you always show us cool stuff, and I was so thrilled when Lauren Carling said Mike wanted us to come out. So this Irondale can be found on Nocatee.com. Click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down, find Settlers Landing, and your floor plan will be there. Again, with David Weekley Homes. I want you to call Mike. You guys know Mike, been around for years, but they have great floor plans offered. So thank you for always watching Walk Through Wednesday. Again, Mike Daniel with David Weekley Homes.
Thank you
Bye.
so much.
Bye.
Bye.